And welcome back. Ways to simplify your life. It's all in a new book, A Memory Bank. It's really a workbook for how to manage important documents and accounts and so much more. Author Kay Bransford is here with her book. Good morning. Thank you for joining us.
Oh, thank you for having me.
Why did you write this book?
I wrote this book really out of personal necessity. I stepped in to help my parents when they were having some health issues, and I realized that even though they did all this estate planning and the financial plans were in order, I didn't know a lot of stuff. I needed to be their medical advocate. I needed to pay bills. I needed to manage their household. I needed a lot more information. So everything I was doing, people asked me for, and I ended up putting it into a book because they kept asking me for copies, and so that's how the book was born.
And so really these are documents and accounts that need to be organized, and we talk about how to do this. So you say start with the essentials first.
So really the essentials are your personal papers, from birth certificates and marriage certificates to your estate planning documents, your will. I would say the most important things are your medical directives and your power of attorney. Anyone over the age of 18 should actually have this in place because someone may need to be your spokesperson for you. So having those documents are very important. Financial
documents.
Financial is important to have organized because I guess most people don't know there's 58 billion reasons why they need to have it organized. $58 billion is sitting with state and federal treasurers today. It's money lost in a move or a personal crisis that people don't know about, and it gets turned back over to the state because no one claimed it.
Medical documents, those are essential too. You have to know what's going in and out.
Absolutely. Your medical history. It's really hard to kind of come up with dates, and if someone needed to speak for you, they really need to know what your history is.
Okay, and then just making sure that some of your household everyday things are intact, your contacts, your online information and accounts, that sort of thing.
Right, online's very important because most of us forget. Like, think how many times you've maybe reset a password.
Oh, sure.
So just having it written down and being able to refer to it is a quick way to have all that information at your fingertips.
Jeez, all the different passwords that are out there, it's really crazy. And your business records and your subscriptions, all of that.
Yes, subscriptions and memberships is important. Most people don't realize that you're getting a renewal subscription before it needs to be renewed. So sometimes people are renewing their subscriptions prematurely.
Please tell me it's normal to be disorganized. I mean, our lives are so hectic right now, and there's so many things we're all involved in.
Absolutely. It's very normal. I think part of it is our lives are so complicated. We have so much new technology. We have so many phone numbers, so many online accounts. So those things are great, but now we have a lot more information to manage.
All right, and your book will help people get there.
Absolutely.
All right, we can find it?
On Amazon, Barnes & Noble, any of those online retailers, as well as many bookstores are carrying it.
All right, her book is Memory Bank. Thank you so much for joining us.